Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Verkaman Law Office Legal Podcast, the NJ Laws Tube. We look at recent cases by the criminal courts. In this case, we look at cases dealing with the new Alcotest machine. In this case, we look at State versus Rivera, where the appellate court held that the Alcotest readings do not need to be truncated to 3 decimals. The appellate division held, looking at some scientific challenges, reviewing defendants' challenge to the admission of Alcotest results relying upon a per se violation of the DWI statute 39:4-50. The court rejected a suggested methodology requiring the state to truncate the intermediate calculations of the relative and absolute upper tolerance limits when discerning whether the Alcotest readings obtained were valid. Now, the Alcotest machine is much different from the breathalyzer. There's a printout, and this case of State versus Rivera wrote that the New Jersey Supreme Court in State versus Chun held the Alcotest would be reliable, and Chun expressed no preference or no requirement for truncating the various interim calculations on a Worksheet A, which would have the effect of lowering the range of tolerance below that approved by the court, with the result of false increase in the number of invalid Alcotest results. And therefore they found that the alcohol reading here was reliable and did not require that it be calculated down to 4 decimal points. And that was State versus Rivera. The citation is 411 N.J.S.A, and that's 492 Appellate Division 2010. For other information on criminal and traffic cases, visit website njlaws.com. That's njlaws.com. Also, website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. For other information, contact the Law Office of Kenneth Verkaman, 732-572-0500. They're at 2053 Woodbridge Avenue, Edison, New Jersey. Thank you, and see you next week.